Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll uncover the transformative power of using case studies and testimonials to elevate your high-ticket affiliate sales. These strategies provide authentic, real-world proof that can help you build trust and persuade prospective buyers. By using case studies, you can showcase detailed success stories that highlight the effectiveness of your products or services. Testimonials offer genuine customer feedback, crafting a compelling narrative that resonates with your audience. Stay tuned as we dive into 5 powerful strategies that you can implement right away to maximize your affiliate marketing success. Let's delve into why case studies are so important. Case studies offer real-world proof of how effective a product or service is, making them an invaluable asset in your marketing toolkit. For high-ticket items, these insights are especially crucial. They present detailed accounts of customer experiences backed by data, which helps potential buyers see the tangible benefits and outcomes. By showcasing real success stories, case studies build a solid foundation of trust and credibility, making it easier for prospective clients to commit to a purchase. Now let's discuss how to craft effective testimonials. Authenticity is paramount, so always use genuine testimonials from satisfied customers. These testimonials should highlight specific challenges or pain points that the customer experienced and explain how your product or service provided a solution. By focusing on real problems and their resolutions, you add a layer of credibility that resonates with potential buyers. This authenticity not only builds trust, but also makes your marketing message more relatable and persuasive. Let's discuss the best ways to integrate case studies and testimonials into your marketing strategy. To maximize their impact, place them prominently on your sales pages, where potential customers can easily find them. Incorporate them into your email campaigns to add authenticity and drive higher engagement rates. Additionally, sharing case studies and testimonials across social media platforms will extend their reach and influence. By strategically placing these elements in various channels, you ensure that your target audience repeatedly encounters credible and persuasive proof of your product or service's value. Let's explore how to measure the success of your case studies and testimonials. Tracking key metrics such as conversion rates, click-through rates, and customer feedback is essential. Conversion rates will tell you how effectively your case studies and testimonials are driving sales. Click-through rates help you understand how engaging your content is. Customer feedback provides qualitative insights into what works and what doesn't. By continuously monitoring these metrics, you can optimize your strategy for better results. Remember, success is all about ongoing improvement and adaptation to what your audience finds most compelling.